Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Frigidaire brand dryer and on the display it's giving you an E24 error, or if you don't have the digital display via the blinking lights, it's indicating an E24 error and you're wondering what is this error and what do you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, what is it? The E24 error is a thermistor error, and the thermistor is basically the temperature sensor that senses how hot the air is and makes sure that the air is hot enough so that you get good drying. So if that thermistor is something wrong with it, you'll get this E24 error. Now, so what's probably going to have to be done is you're going to need to replace the thermistor. Before you do that, and I'll talk about that in just a second, but before you do that, you should try to hard restart your dryer, which is just to disconnect it from power completely for 5 minutes, and then turn it back on, restore power, turn it back on, and see if that doesn't clear out the error. If the error persists, then you're going to want to replace the thermistor. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get a thermistor to replace it, and a little tutorial on how to do it. It's like a moderately easy thing to do.